cooking time for, welcome to part 2, y'all. It is the time of cooking this curried tripe and broiled beans. Right here I have, this is about 2 tablespoons of butter melted. I'm going to be putting in, this is what, you know, normally when I'm cooking curry, I use my green scallions to flavor my oil. I am on the exploration of herbs. May I use herbs? I'm exploring with my herbs the flavors that I'll be getting from them. This is a piece of marjoram. Is that it, camera girl? I just discovered this one. I don't know what you know about it. If you have ever used it, let me know. We'll leave the correct spelling for you right somewhere right after it's up on the screen. I'm going to use it to flavor my oil with my Eat All Up. I'll be doing just that right there. Now, I forgot, and I'm going to show you right now. You need half of a lime, or about a teaspoon of lime juice to your seasoned tripe. I did not remember to tell you, and I did not do it off camera, so I do it that you can see. Even though I would have told you, I did it that you can see it. Now right on over here, this thing, I'm not smell nothing from it yet, so they are saying yes, I'm smelling it now. It is almost something like oregano. Okay, so now that's in there. Yes, I'm smelling it. It's coming out. This is something even better than oregano. Wow, the flavor is beautiful. You smell it, camera girl? Beautiful flavor. With another set of beautiful flavor, which is this good body curry. Get yourself some good body curry. How do you do? Not some little careless workless curry. Good body curry. Good body curry, yeah. And we're gonna leave this curry to burn. And you know, say when it starts to burn, you see that frothy something there, I come out. You know, if you left it for the whole day, you know, you just rub it in. You know the norm. If you're new right on over here, we're burning our curry. This is like part of the cooking process. When we burn it up and the eye eat, you know, say all the little grainy and all of them something there, we get it out. So we are burning this curry with this marjoram. Is that so, camera girl? May I have to ask camera girl every time for this nice flavor for our curried tripe. Now we are going to turn our tripe right into this little nice good body curry something where we have right here. So I hope you're in on this. This is how I do it. This is how I do it. If you're following me from the beginning of the journey, you would have known by now that this is how I do it. Take your flame down a little bit right here, and we're gonna be using the pressure cooker for this thing. You see, you want a little water. Let's put a little water to the side right here. Hot water, that is. We're gonna be using the, take your flame down a little more, be using the pressure cooker for this thing here. This thing is the most chewy in any meat at all. It is tripe. Okay, but I'm doing it in the side, this pot here. Want a little more liquid? Yeah, flame up a bit. We want, this is like coating, where I get the curry all coated up in the tripe. You see it pretty? Look at this. Look how pretty it is. Coat up this curry with the tripe. Make sure so we have the right color, that when the tripe ready, we not have no little, everybody can see say a curry tripe. A little bit more with your flame. So we are coating up this thing here, giving it a nice, this is also a part of the seasoning process. You know, we are trying, this is a gelling. Remember how we gelled right there? I think it was it with the oxtails. So we are gelling now. This is like a little gelling part, but we are kind of get the curry in. Look at that beauty. You ever see curry tripe pretty say it and you know don't cook? So we're gonna continue gelling. When we are finished gelling, we will return to you. We are gonna be removing it to our pressure cooker, and I'll show you how to proceed. Now we have removed it to our pressure cooker. We have finished gelling it inside our inner Jessie, and we have it inside our pressure cooker now. I could have done it in the pressure cooker, but I want you to see what I'm doing. Not sure if the camera would be catching all the way down in there, so it's on the gelling in there now. Now we have some nice little washings out from the the Dutch pot, so we're going to throw it right there. Right there. And of course, we're going to want a little more hot water. You know that. So, make me throw the other little rest. Now, I want to say something to you about this thing. I'm just going to be cover it like that. I want you, put the camera upon the camera, girl. You're going to have to do this 2 times. Don't fill up the pressure cooker water and have it a boil. You're going to have to do this process 2 times. You're going to have to pay attention to your pressure. Know your pressure cooker. You've got to study if you're using it. If you're not, and you're using the instant pot that you can set it for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, look at it and you'll have got to go again. So I know my pressure cooker, so it's Tripe. I'm going to be leaving this. I say 15 for the instant pot because they are more powerful. Okay? I'm going to be setting this for 20 minutes because after 20 minutes, this liquid will recede. It will come down to nothing. So after 20 minutes and it comes down, I will return to show you what the texture of the Tripe, because I know it won't be cooked. It will not be cooked. So I'll have to go again with the same amount to get it. So after 20 minutes, we'll return. I'm going to cover up now and we'll soon come. Okay, now family, this is our first check. So you want, as I said to you, you need to know your pressure cooker. You need to check your pressure cooker. Know when to check it. Because if you let it go too much, it will burn. This is what it looks like down in there. And this is our first check. These parts are always the hardest parts. These parts, them tough. They are really chewy. They are hard to cook. So right now, we have got to check it. So we're going to check it right now. Because you see it? You see it? It's really chewy. It's not ready. It's half cooked, but it's not fully cooked. So you see it? Let's try it. See it pretty? See it pretty? Told you you have to be going down on it. It's not ready. Flame back up. What's up with our flame? Okay, flame back up. We're going again now. Tasting it now, you realize that it's like, I would say, a little more than halfway cooked. So we have a little liquid in there, not a lot. You see the body weight have down in it already. You see the body? So we're gonna go again. We're just gonna slightly cover it. See it? To 15 minutes time for my pressure cooker. I'll be ready. I'm gonna go cover it back again because look here, when this thing is ready, you're not supposed to be like a bubble gum, you know. You must just chew and it just melt right away in your mouth. That's how Tripe is supposed to be. Soon come. Okay, now family, this is our second testing and we are writing and this is how it looks. You've got to be on point with this thing or else you will get it all burnt. Now look at it. You see how far I got through it? You see it? Let's test it. Are we good now? Enough, yeah? I'm good now. So we get our flame up back. Let's use this one. So our flame right back up there. And all of that. And the pepper, the spiciness is there because we're supposed to have some spiciness inside of this thing. So look at this now. This is what the gravy look like and we're not putting in the bean yet. You see how nice this gravy is? Okay. Now, you want to put yourself a little butter. You're going to finish up now, you know. And for me, the salt was good. So for you, you must know at this point how you want to proceed to get your thing up and about. Huh? Now, we had our beans here, a little overcooked. I did my own beans, and there's also a video up showing you how to do your homemade butter beans. Okay? I want to put right in here a little bit of a black pepper. Not a lot, and it looked like that was like a little bit more than what we did want, but nothing wrong. Flame down a bit, not too high, because we're almost there now. We're going to be putting in a little You can use fresh garlic, a little extra garlic, but this is garlic flakes and it's as good as fresh garlic. As me love garlic, so I know it go. I don't seem to want any more salt from my tasting. Okay? Flame is there. And I'm just gonna put my beans right in because my bean is cooked with all that nice rich gravy. So because my beans were a little overcooked, I've got to know how I incorporate them. Like really gently. They just went a little bit overcooked. So I'm gonna leave it right there. My beans were a little overcooked. So I'm gonna get it right up. I don't know why it was overcooked. Maybe the nature of the bean, but my beans were more than overcooked this time, family. So I'm gonna leave it right there to let it gel down. I'm not gonna stir it too much because my beans and all of that. So when we return, we'll plate up some of this for you. Okay? Okay, now family, all plated up. From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your palate, and most of all to your stomach. It is curried tripe and broad beans. If you want to call it a stew, you call it. Our beans just went a little bit overcooked, but that's how it goes sometimes. Please do enjoy. Now, if you have liked this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe. When you do subscribe to this channel, remember to hit that bell. When you hit the bell, please make your comments below and in a principled way. Therefore, you'll be the first to know. Therefore, you'll be a part of the notification crew. And we're back on the norm again. Today's post notification shout outs goes to Jacqueline Hallin. Jackie, big up yourself. You know yourself. It's a pleasure for me to shout you out, my darling. And Brown Skin JJ, big up yourself, Brown Skin JJ. I don't know if you and Jackie like this, the stripe and bean thing, you know. Please do enjoy, ladies. Debbie from Dongayard, I said bless, no stress. Keep your notifications on. I've got a real good body soup coming for you next.